Effective dog training begins with securing the dog's attention. Holding a treat near the dog's nose is an effective method to capture initial focus. This initial focus is crucial for the dog to follow subsequent cues. The treat should be sufficiently enticing to maintain the dog's interest throughout the training exercise. The initial step involves using a treat to guide the dog into a sit. Hold the treat above the dog's head and move it slightly backward. As the dog follows the treat's movement, its rear should naturally lower. Allow the dog time to understand and perform the desired action. Avoid physically forcing the dog into the position. The goal is to create an association between the movement and the future command. Begin training by clearly saying, "Sit." The moment the dog's bottom touches the ground, immediately reward the dog with a treat to reinforce the desired behavior. Precise timing is crucial for creating a strong association between the command, action, and reward. Conduct short, frequent training sessions to effectively reinforce learning. Once the dog masters the command indoors, practice in diverse outdoor settings. Practicing in various environments reinforces obedience and builds the dog's confidence.